Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad ke sangma haga pratar jemang pyndep ba ka jingtei yak Secretariat ka thymmai ha New Shillong Township NST ka balamang ha ka jinglot ka bakan 1000 sispa praprak lor tingka lakhmi lenti ba onsala pyndep no hapdeng jong snem arajar arpenyo ha ka jingsran lang da ki he officer na katnat planning but urban affairs Menteri Rangba ulale Jurip yak jingtei jong ka Secretariat ba thymmai ha sauli bat pelong ru ka jingbisar benia halur ka jingya jong ka kam Hadien ka jing Jurip Conrad uloong ngikhmi lenti ba onla pyndep no ya ka project katkum ka por balabu kata hapdeng jong u arajar arpenyo uloong ru ba ka jaka kan amlong tang ka administrative city ka thymmai hindre kan no senyang ru ha ka banpan kluat shibun ya ka nongba Shillong uloong ru ba ya ki kattu ka ni ki surok ha New Shillong Township lala pyndep bat kidang don bon ru ki ba ka jingpen trei kadang ya chakaman Kilenti surok ha ka administrative city kan penyaso eki project ba per ha ka than. Ya ka Secretariat ba thymmai labu maunong rim ha ka arpawai trik lalingkan arajar pusan.
We have come here to the site of the new Secretariat, and as you can see behind me, the work is going on in full swing. In fact, the excavation work and the foundation work also is going on at a very fast pace, and I'm very happy to see the progress of the work, and we expect that the project should be completed on time, and we're expecting that sometime in 2027 mid we should be able to complete this project. So this is a very, very important project because this not only is the overall administrative city, but it will also lead to a large level of decongestion within the existing Shillong city. Because once the administration moves out, then a lot of the space will be open, a lot of the traffic will be diverted, and therefore we will see a large level of decongestion taking place in Shillong city itself. At the same time, as you're aware that we are constructing multiple roads that are leading to the new Shillong area and the Secretariat area. Some of them have been completed, some are under the process of being completed, and hence we will have a very good connectivity from the existing Shillong city to the new administrative city. So we've come to see the work, we've reviewed the whole work, and we're very satisfied with the speed of the work, and we expect that the project will be completed on time.
Ha kanikasngi Menteri Rangba ulale Jurip ru ya ka jingpen trei ya ka Unity Mall kabadang ya chakman ya ka surak ka baladam na shamau kanu kabade ka way na ki surak ka penyaso ya ka administrative but knowledge city hakijaka ki ba hapo township.
We are here in the Ummir to Maukanu, this beautiful road, newly constructed road, which is of course part of the overall plan to build up the entire administrative and the knowledge city. Very important connectivity and a very important infrastructure, and as you can see the road has come up very well, and we intend to have the cycling tracks on the side, and at the same time more importantly we are discussing with the soil conservation department, and this year itself will be going for a massive plantation, almost close to about 8 to 10 kilometers of plantation will be done all along the road out here, and we will ensure that it's done in a uniform manner. So we'll have a straight line of, for example, the cherry blossom trees, so that it looks in a very uniform manner, or different species, local species also will be doing. So this will really create a proper view and a beautiful view along the road. And we are starting with this road, and this year itself, during the plantation season, which is now, we'll be planting these trees, and we'll be continuing this next year in other roads. For example, the PM Divine Road, which we expect to be completed by next year. We will take up the project in that section, and also within the existing roads in Shillong city also, we intend to expand and have this kind of uniform plantation of trees, so that it gives a beautiful impact and a beautiful view of the city and the roads.
Shwa kani ulale Jurip ru ya ka polo mall ka badang shidap te thymmai hapo jong ka smart city project kumju ek jingtei ya ka wa umkhra riverfront development project na lor kiwei.
We have come here today in Polo area to inspect the work of the Polo Mall under the Smart City, as well as the Riverfront Development Project, which is funded by the state government. And as you can see, the work for the Polo Mall is complete, and now we are under the process of renting out or leasing out the different shops that are there, and we are hopeful that within the next couple of months a few of the shops and areas will be active. There is space for entertainment center, there is space for food court, and there are very large shopping areas and even commercial areas for organizations that wish to have their space there. I'm very happy to see the work in the Polo Mall come up very fast, and as I said, within the next couple of months, we should be able to get the rooms and the place active. In regards to the riverfront project, again, this is one of the very important projects for us, keeping in mind again the overall beautification of Shillong and the national games which is coming up in 2027. There are two parts to this particular project. One is the development of the riverfront in terms of the infrastructure, and also the overall cleaning up of the river itself. So we are very keen to do both. Today we have come to inspect the infrastructure development work, and it's going on at very fast pace, as you can see. And we expect that by the end of this calendar year or early next calendar year, hopefully within the financial year of 2025-26, we should be able to complete this first phase of the riverfront. We have a second phase also that's coming up, where we will be building up more areas for smaller shops and eateries, as well as some parking space and some space for people to stay in, more like a hostel area where sports people can come and stay here, and this can become kind of a area for sports training, especially high altitude training. So all of these projects are going on, so I'm very happy to see the progress, and I'm hopeful that, as I said, within the next 8 to 12 months, we'll see this entire riverfront come up very, very well. And but at the same time, I do urge that the riverfront without the river being clean is going to be meaningless, and therefore I urge the citizens, the local Dorbar, the headmans, and the society at large to work together with the state government to ensure that we are able to keep our rivers clean. This requires the participation of the people, especially the residents, and we will be working very closely with them to ensure that this target also is achieved. After this, we'll be going and surveying and going to review some other projects. And as I said, I'm happy to see that this polo front is an area is developing very fast. Thank you very much.